Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. Yes, my name is Richman. In fact, guys, we are going to talk about our game after Chelsea winning the Club World Cup. Now, Chelsea is about to play their first preseason games. The first game will be on Friday against Bayer Leverkusen, and the next game will be against AC-Millan. So, we are going to do our preview of those games, our expectations, how should Enzo Maresca approach those games. Yes, and I'm here with my Chelsea brother once again, Abiola. So we are going to do the discussion together. So guys, please watch this video till the end. Let's do the analysis together. Let's do the discussion together. Abiu, now Chelsea is about to play their first preseason game. Yes, against Bayer Leverkusen. Yes, that game. Would you like Enzo Maresca to go all in with the first 11, the first squad? Or how do you expect that game to go?
Well, our game against Bayer Leverkusen will be a fantastic game, simple because it will boost our morale towards the brand new season.
Yes.
So in the game, what I'm expecting Enzo Maresca to do in the game against Bayer Leverkusen is at least to start the incoming players, the new signings. He should start them so that we will see their potential, so that they will make ready for the brand new season, as some of them are the new players in the Premier League.
Yes.
So for that matter, it will be a great for Enzo Maresca to start them to see what they got.
Okay. So that even, yes, we the fans can also see what they can bring to us, or how like they prepare the likes of Gittins and Co, Estival and Co. Yes, for sure. Enzo Maresca, especially when you look at our midfield and the defense, some of the players who had so many games from this season up to the Club World Cup, like Caicedo and Co. Maybe I would like Enzo Maresca to bench Caicedo and bench Enzo, so that Esugo and Andre Santos, they can also take in charge.
Yes, that is my thought.
Yes,
that is my thought, and I have a first 11 which I wish Enzo Maresca will start.
Okay.
To this
game.
The game against Bayer Leverkusen. So my first 11 will be Jorgensen being in the pole.
On goal.
Gusto will be number 2. Hato, the new signing, will play number 3. The defense, I would like Enzo Maresca to come out with Chalobah and Tosin.
Okay.
Chalobah and Tosin. Okay. And our midfield, our Santos and Isogo.
Okay.
To be our 6 and 8, and they want to play 10 for them. Nkunku is still there, even though we are not even sure of his final destination. Nkunku should play number 10, and our 3 attackers will be Dilap, Gittins at the left wing, and Estival William at the right wing. That's my 11 for the upcoming match against Leverkusen. Dilap. Yes.
Okay.
Dilap
not Nicola Jackson.
No, not Jackson.
Chelsea fans, you see, we are no more talking about Jackson. Maybe Jackson had his chance last season.
Jackson had a 2 season.
Yes, to prove himself
without any competition, and he couldn't make it. So Jackson cannot blame Chelsea for benching him, for not calling his name anymore.
Okay.
He can't blame anyone.
So that is your starting 11. That is good, because it contains the new players.
Yeah.
So that at least they can use this kind of games, to boost their confidence, to be ready and prepare for the
brand new season. Yes.
And the AC Milan game, are you expecting the same thing?
The AC Milan game, our game against Bayer Leverkusen will determine who should start against AC Milan.
Okay.
But the AC Milan game, I'm expecting to see our regular starters. Simple because after the AC Milan game, the brand new season is ahead of us.
Okay.
So I'm expecting to see our old starters to be involved.
Part.
Yes, to be involved in the AC Milan game to prepare them for the brand new season ahead.
Yes, for sure, for true. Because football, sometimes it is about how you prepare your body, the bones, everything prepare. So for the AC Milan game, it's really good that Enzo Maresca at least balance the squad with the first squad and the newly coming players. Because against Crystal Palace, the opening day, we'll come out with another video on that about Chelsea future. Yes, how can Chelsea end, or where can Chelsea end in the Premier League, the newly coming Premier League. So as you said about the squad, I second it. Yes, because Charlie, we must prepare because this Premier League coming, something must happen.
Yes, for sure.
We must win it, or at least perform well.
Like I said it already, and I'm going to repeat it again. Yes. I'm expecting Chelsea to be the winner.
Wow.
To be imaged as the EPL winner 2025-2026 season. Yes, and a Champions League too. I'm expecting them to do very well in the Champions League. So with the great talent Chelsea is having, I don't have any doubt about Chelsea winning the Premier League and the Champions League.
Yes. And even when you look at Chelsea, like it looks like we don't have any excuse again, because all positions are occupied, 2 or 3 players in each position. So winning the Premier League is possible. We can win it.
Yes, but we sometimes can let me be honest with you. Sometimes we can use our squad to just determine. We just have to stay focused, to do our homework very well, and to deliver. That's the most important thing.
Okay. Then let's come to our score predictions. Chelsea by Leverkusen. How many goals do you think Chelsea will score?
Chelsea against Bayer Leverkusen. I'm not expecting much, simple because it is a progress test.
Yes.
So I'm not expecting too much from that game, but I'm expecting like 3 goals from Chelsea.
3 goals?
Yes.
3 goals to nil?
Yeah.
Okay. And what about the AC-Millan?
The AC-Millan game, it will be very hard to predict it. Okay. So for now, let's all our focus be on Chelsea versus Leverkusen. It will give us the talking point to talk about the AC-Millan game.
Okay. So that means maybe we'll come out with another video for the AC-Millan game.
Yes, for sure. Yes.
After the Bayer Leverkusen.
For sure.
So guys, let us hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this game. Chelsea by Leverkusen. Should Enzo Maresca start the first team, the first squad, or should Enzo Maresca start the newly coming players, the second squad? Guys, let us hear from you under the comment section. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more football fans on the YouTube algorithm. And after the game, we'll come with our review and talk about the AC-Millan game. And during that time, even if any latest transfer news come, we'll let you know. So please stay on Football Lions, and we'll give you another video on this channel. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.